Hey, this is G from Outlier Automation. I am down here at Staubli's open house in Cypress, California, their new office, and I'm here with Irina, and we have the Stericlean Plus robot. This is a new product for you guys. What is different about this that makes it better than what you had before and even in the space?
The Stericlean Plus has been in development for about 2 years, where we took our Stericlean and optimized it for use inside isolators. The robot has been designed and tested with all the materials that are used. It is fully enclosed. It has a new coating that is a powder coating to withstand many VHP cycles. The seals are different and the screws are all covered to make it easily cleanable, as well as to avoid any type of contamination.
Well, obviously this is like in an open environment right now. We would, in an isolator, it's going to be enclosed, but it still has safety control. Why would you care about that in an isolator?
Even within the isolator, you have certain zones that you want to identify as safe zones. So within those zones, you have options to make it a safe speed, safe zone application.
Okay, so you have this coating, and there's a lot of regulations that go with this, right? Like, what do you do? What do you do in order to ensure that you guys are actually doing this coating correctly?
Absolutely, and it's not just the coating; it's actually all the materials that go into the Stericlean Plus. We have run many tests internally as well as by third parties to ensure the longevity of all materials and the resistance to the VHP cleaning. We have put together a full package with documented validation documents and test results that are part of the package that our integrator or end user receives with the robot. So now the robot is not just one little component, but it is really an integral part of the system that has been validated, just like the whole system will be.
That's great. You guys can offer the entire solution. What applications would you use this in, especially compared to your other product lines?
This is designed for all types of applications where you manufacture drug substance and you fill it into vials, syringes, or any type of other containers. But essentially for injectable drugs where you want to limit any types of particle. If it is a potent drug that you don't want the operators to be exposed to, if it's a toxic drug, or if it's a stringent process where the operator cannot be interacting with the environment.
Well, this is definitely cool. I hope that I can program one soon, and I thank you so much for showing me this product.
Thank you.